Hello, friends. So this is how very quickly you can use and find out where Chiron is transiting your birth chart during, whoa, that's not coming out well at all. My brain is like transitioning from writing to speaking. Okay, so this is how you find out if Chiron retrograde is impacting the planets in your chart. So we want to get really specific. I'm going to stop screen sharing for just a moment. If we want to get really, because I'm opening my notes app, it is 11 degrees, 56 minutes to 1626. Okay. So what that means is, okay, 11 degrees, 56. So we can see here, and I'm highlighting this Scorpio 6-degree sun. It's 6 degrees, 28. So obviously it does not fall in the 11 degrees to 16 degrees. But if you wanted to be more specific, let's see if we have one. Okay, here's one. 11 degrees, 45. This Chiron retrograde goes back to 11 degrees, 56. So even though it is being, it wouldn't be because this is Taurus, but let's say it was Gemini or Aries, that 11 degrees, it's really close to being impacted, but just minusculely, it does not quite actually get a direct hit of that retrograde. So if you want to be super exact with it, then you want to get down into the, I'm pointing at the screen, oh my gosh, into the actual minute of the degree, okay? Otherwise, you can just say 11 to 16. So let's go with that, 11 to 16. We're going to make it super easy because realistically, that would be true. So you're going to go through and see, first off, what planets do you have between 11 and 16 degrees? And I would also count the ascendant and the midheaven. The descendant and the IC, not as much. I didn't talk about them because you really feel a profound impact when it's on that ascendant midheaven. Or that, at least that's what we tend to recognize when we're going through the transit. Okay, so running through this, obviously there's not a lot here. There's a 14 degrees Neptune, and it is in Capricorn. So this would fit. This chart, the Neptune is being impacted. In this chart as well, the North Node, which I didn't talk about, but maybe I will in the next one. Send me some hate mail. Please don't send me hate mail, but like, you can lovingly be like, my North Node was in it too. Please do it next time. And I'll be like, okay. And then also this one, the Ascendant and the midheaven are also being impacted. Ooh, I'm sorry. The midheaven's not being impacted. Ascendant is being impacted. Okay, so that's what you do. And then you just write that down and you say, for example, this one, the ascendant is in Libra, right? Ascendant Libra. And then when you're in the workbook, you would read for the ascendant and for planets in Libra. And ideally read them back to back and take some notes on them. What comes up for you? What feels right for you? What instinctively is coming up for you as you move through that, okay? Simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's it, guys. Send me your questions. That's all.